Hey everyone, check out the TAVR Furniture Portable Folding Chair, a heavy-duty stool with a 500-pound capacity perfect for adults and kids. Its sturdy steel base and X-shaped legs provide excellent stability, while the integrated footrest adds extra comfort during use. The 18-inch seat height suits most situations, making it ideal for dorms, kitchens, and outdoor events. This lightweight stool weighs just 4.5 pounds and features a convenient carry handle for easy transport anywhere you go. Made from UV-protected, high-density polyethylene plastic, it is weather-resistant and simple to clean. When folded, it stores compactly in small spaces like behind doors or under dressers. Whether for camping, picnics, or extra seating at home, this folding stool is a versatile and practical choice. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.